Hello, gardeners! Today I will reveal to you one of the best and most effective top dressings for your cucumbers. Tell me right below in the comments, do you grow cucumbers and how long have you been doing it? Just write yes or no. As you know, healthy cucumbers do not come by themselves. They need a little love, a little attention, and of course, good organic top dressing. That is why today we are talking about natural solutions that each of us has in our kitchen and are within our reach. I am really interested. What ingredients do you use to strengthen and protect your cucumbers? Write it in the comments. Maybe your idea will help one of us, and maybe we will use your idea as a topic in the next video. If you like what you are watching, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Believe me, you never know who might need good advice for a healthy garden right now. Cucumbers love top dressing that nourishes them and protects them from diseases in a natural way. When you strengthen them regularly, they are more resistant to diseases, the fruits are juicy, and the harvest is rich. Don't waste money on expensive chemicals. Nature already provides everything. A little attention, a few homegrown ingredients, and your cucumbers will repay you 100-fold. And here's my secret recipe. Take your own glass of yogurt, dissolve it in 10 liters of lukewarm water. Mix well, and water your cucumbers with this solution once every 2 weeks. Yogurt will help strengthen the roots, protect the leaves, and keep the soil full of beneficial microorganisms. Thank you for watching. I hope your cucumbers will be healthy and full of fruit this year. If you liked the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and be sure to check out the next tips I have prepared for you. Good luck in the garden and see you soon.